pretty crazy move on the DAX and the London session. We'll get right into it, go over a few reports that I like to use. But yeah, I had some nice longs actually on the DAX and the London session, and across some of my prop firm accounts. I hope that you guys are having a good day so far. Obviously, me being in South Africa, I can trade the London session. But I basically got long over here. Let's just actually get my drawings up, and then we can show you exactly how I actually took those longs. Where's it here now? There you go. Let's go like this. So I got long on the opening range breakout. Simple as that. You guys know I love using opening range with VWAP. We're trading above the overnight VWAP, which is this black line over here. This white line over here is that 500, 200 EMA. I just like to have it on. Nothing too special. But overnight VWAP, and then this blue line over here is the London session VWAP. And then you can see we trade within this range. Pretty crazy volatility actually to start off the day. We had a move up on the DAX, pulls back down, and actually erases the whole move back to market open price, the change of day. And then we get that insane move up. I actually was in for about 100 points, and this thing still ripped higher. I think I was out over here at half day, and it still ripped about 300 points higher from my exit. So you're never going to catch all of it, but that was just an insane move right now. We are drifting back towards all-time highs as well. We are coming back off them at the moment, off the half day right now. But yeah, we're not too far from all-time highs. On the daily time frame, we can actually see from that pin on the all-time high. At the moment, we are sitting under percentage off those all-time highs. So we'll see what we do get into the open. At the moment, we are trading quite heavily higher. Let's just see across the board as well. In terms of news, we got some news coming out. We got in 2 minutes time, we got initial job claims. And then 4 o'clock, yeah, CAD news, not really too important. Earnings, let's just bring up the earnings calendar as well this week. I didn't, from my first glance at it at the start of the week, I don't remember that there was nothing too serious. If I'm not mistaken, wait for that to load. There you go. Yep, nothing too hectic as well. So let's go over a couple of reports that I want you guys to have a look at. The first one being, make sure to come check out the screener, the Edgeful screener if you are using Edgeful. If you want to use Edgeful and want to check it out, I do have a 7-day free trial. The link is in my bio. But this screen is really, really neat. Now, very important. I want you to go over here, go to on the left-hand side on the screener, select over here, choose asset, select all. And this comes up with the Mag 7, the options, as well as everything like that. So I want you guys to go check that out. And basically, I like using the opening candle continuation, the orb report, the previous day's range report, and the RB report. Those are my favorite. And what the screener basically does is it tells me, okay, if I'm looking for longs, well, what is the first hour of the market open? Are we looking bullish across the board, bearish across the board, across the Mag 7 stocks and everything like that? So just keeping it simple, straightforward to the point for me. And then again, obviously on the all breakout tells me, are we having double breaks? Are we breaking out, breaking down? What the hell is happening across all of those markets? You guys, all good with that. If you got anything that you want me to cover, let me know. But I think I always keep these pre-market prep streams short and to the point. I'll speak over a little bit about maybe a few mindset stuff and a few trades from the previous day. But for me right now, I don't really like predicting. I just like reading and reacting. What I want to do is let's bring up yesterday. I actually tweeted about this as well. I wasn't able to be on for personal reasons. In the New York session, I had some nice longs on the DAX. Or was it shorts? I had shorts on the DAX. Sorry. Yesterday, I had some shorts on the DAX, taking out the opening range low. Yep, I had some. I remember now. I got some shorts on the DAX. Okay, over on Wednesday. Yep, over here. I took these shorts. And then basically, I had to take care of a few things off the desk. And I think this is quite important in terms of not chasing. Right, I think a lot of the times we want to react, predict instead of react, and also sometimes some things are out of your control. So yesterday I saw these very, very nice all breakout longs. I see we actually double broke on ES, but on NQ we only single broke that orb high, and I really, really like that. I know the guys that were trading, and this is where the automation is obviously going to come with the algos, which we'll speak to in a bit. But basically, I saw these longs. I liked the retest. I wanted to get long over here, and obviously we absolutely saw, from that entry to half day, 180 points. And I was a bit annoyed. So I locked myself out of my actual Project X trading platforms with the future side of things, because I knew that at that point, I'm probably not going to be making sound decisions, just chasing a higher price. But that was a very, very nice orb play yesterday. And that's, I think some of the guys were actually discussing in our Edgeful chat here. Pretty crazy stuff. But if you see this, let's just go like this, copy image, and let's go paste and go. So if you look at this, the automation will be coming, but like I want to cry tears of happiness right now. I had to take meetings early this morning and was no way to trade this clean all breakout and NQ automated algos execute perfectly for a $675 win. So they are coming. They will be coming very, very shortly. They're in beta stage right now. But just to show you that you can, I think just from a discretional trading perspective, I think it's very, very good to just take one day at a time, lock yourself out if you aren't feeling in the zone, and then to come back for the next opportunity, like I did with DAX this morning. And we'll see if we can get a win on my futures accounts this afternoon. But that's all for this morning. If you've got any questions, I'll be in the Edgeful Discord rest of the day. And then I'll be live on ASFX TV. As usual, the link is in my bio. You can see that over here. Okay. On ASFX TV, I'll be live there. So go check us out. We'll see you for the open, and have a good rest of the day. Cheers, guys.